We're back with another installation happening in Toronto. This customer, their AC was dying and their furnace was very old. So we decided to go in and replace it with a new furnace and a heat pump to take advantage of the new rebate. In this project today, we have a team of 4 technicians. We have people in the team swapping out the actual unit for the project, as well as people handling the electrical side. You might be wondering, what is this project about? Well, today we are installing a furnace, a heat pump, a thermostat, and a humidifier.